Hello folks, so on our recent trip to Tampa, we decided to stop for a quick bite on the road and we ended up in Lakeland at the Lovebird almost famous chicken joint. Now this is a converted gas station that was painted black with a whole lot of pink highlights and a punk rock theme. They also have their own lineup of memorabilia that you can purchase to remind yourself of your visit there. They also have an extensive collection of craft beers that you could choose from. The ladies loved it, but let's get to the food. Their fried chicken was awesome, done to perfection with about 4 different levels of heat. And they had some awesome sides to choose from as well to accompany your meal. My only wish was that I could have gotten more bread because the bread they gave us was under the chicken and it soaked up most of the oil from the fryer. Yes, but I loved it. Lovebirds,